Hello student, today we will do question number 10 from exercise test yourself of chapter 2 Concise Mathematics class 10. So without further ado, let's get started. The question is Katrina opened a recurring deposit account with a nationalized bank for a period of 2 years. If the bank pays interest at the rate of 6% per annum and the monthly installment is rupees 1000, find the interest earned in 2 years. So first interest formula is P into n plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R by 100. So P is 1000 into n is 24 into 25 divided by 2 into 12 into R is 6%, so 6 by 100. This will be cut, 6 to the 12, 2, 4, and this 6. Rupees 25, 6 are 150, and this 10 means 1500. Now see question number 2. Maturity value. The maturity value will be P into N plus I. So P is 1000, N is 24, plus I is 1500. If you multiply 24,000 plus 150. If you add, then this will be rupees 25,500. This is answer. I hope you must have understood this solution today up to here. We will meet in the next session with next question. Till then, take care. Thank you.